Seeing your smile brought the walls down and the light to my days. I look for it still. Everyday beauty I made chance to see. Simple acts of kindness, remembering something I heard you say. The comfort of a true word. The beauty of the sun on a hillside. The life of a sparrow on the wing. There is life in a midsummer sunrise, reflected in the April stream and mirrored by the sky. The leaves of seasons echo past as if to say goodbye. As I quiet my thoughts, I feel earth's song in the rhythm of the swaying trees, birds singing their enchanting tunes, waking to the sound of nature with a song in my heart. Winter, spring, summer, fall, we can see the beauty of each and all, children's laughter echoing through the halls. You greet me and nothing can be wrong. Searching for light is a hard thing to do, but we laugh every day together, and it truly is the beauty of this life. The same rain that makes those puddles appear creates that noble arc of a rainbow and breathes colour and vibrancy into the soil below. As the sun peeks out beyond the clouds, harbour waves sparkling in the summer sun, Mother Nature, show us your beauty. The breeze blows through my hair as I smell the freshly cut hay, the sound of the river flowing. The day breaks gently as the cat quietly pads towards the morning bowl. To see beauty in every day comes from within. I'm filled with a sense of joy and contentment, whether it's the falling snow, the heat of the sun, or the chill of that rain. We should learn to embrace the beautiful things that surround us. Show that you're willing to listen. With every unveiling of the dawn, new possibilities emerge. Always there, sometimes unseen, never fading, evergreen.